Hello, hello. Okay, so this is where you've got to the point with your score. So we filled in every bar, there's no gaps from 1 to 57. I've got the instruments in the right order. So the highest pitch melody ones, then I've got my chords, then all my drums, my bass would come here. Okay, next thing, I'm going to glue the parts together. So go here, click, click. So click on the side, click in the track, and you can glue them all together. Otherwise, you are going to have gaps in your piece, which we don't want. Okay, perfect. So that is ready to make our score. So this is how we do it. So we go Windows, open Score Editor. Okay, so let's make this smaller. So you can see there, it doesn't look like a score at the moment. Okay, make sure as well that you haven't clicked on any of these. Okay, that's good. Right, next thing, we need to make the page landscape so we have got more space. Okay, so we've made that landscape. Right, next thing, put it on page view so you can see what the parts would look like. Okay, so that's starting to look better. Okay, next thing, we go show score set, and we do a complete set. Okay, so we've got all my instruments here. Okay, so now if I close that, complete set, I should get all of my parts. Where's bongos 3? Okay, let's try that again. Select everything. Okay, there we go. So I've got all of my parts. Okay, although it doesn't look like it's in landscape. Let's try that again. Okay, that way. Nope, it was in landscape. Okay, right, you can see it's much too big. We need more space. So the way we do that, go to score sets, scale. We're going to bring it down. See it moving until we can fit all of the parts on one page. There we go. See that? They all fit on one page now. So we've had to make it smaller, but that's fine. That's good. Okay, so there we've got our score. Next thing we go view, show instrument names, and then we can start to see the parts. So I've got my score there, I've got my parts. Okay, next thing would be to go into the different parts. So you can see there, it's not quite right. So we should have that on the beat. So I can move it there so that it looks better. The other thing you can do is use this syncopation button, which should correct it for you. Okay, so you need to make sure that all the parts are legible, got the right rhythms in. And then the other thing you want to do is put your title at the top. So you put the name of the piece, zoom in a bit. There we go. Havana. Okay, and then we can add more text to it. Okay, so that's how to make your score.